Tell me, what do you know about the company? Now, why is this question asked? This question is simply asked to understand your preparation. Have you prepared and come or not? That is what the HR is trying to understand. Now, for this, Abraham Lincoln has given a fantastic statement. What he says is, if you give me 6 hours to chop a tree, I will spend the first 4 hours sharpening the axe. That is preparation. Now, the question is, have you gone through the company's profile? Do you know when this company was formed? What are its products? What are its services? What are its projects? What are the current issues of the company? Its turnover, its number of employees? Have you gone through the website? Do you know the mission? Do you know the vision of the company? Who are the partners? Who is the CEO? Who are the founders? So there are many things that one has to know about the company. Now, if you give an answer which they don't expect you to know, then you always have a competitive edge over others. So now if you have to give an answer to this question, let's take an example of a company. For example, for civil engineering student, a company has come and its name is Ultratech Cement, and they are conducting an interview for that. Now, when they ask the candidate, tell me what you know about the company, how he has to go about saying, sir, it's the fastest growing company in the world. It deals in building material. It has been in business from 1983 with a strong force of more than 1,20,000. It's operational in more than 36 countries around the world. The company also provides ample opportunities for personal growth and development. And if you want to add something more, you can go about adding more information into this answer. तो अगर आपसे ये पूछा जाए आप कंपनी के बारे में क्या जानते हैं, तो एचआर आपकी तैयारी को समझने की यहाँ पे कोशिश कर रहा है। तो आपको कंपनी के बारे में सब पता होना चाहिए, सब कुछ मालूम होना चाहिए आपको कि वो कब बनी, उसके प्रोडक्ट्स क्या हैं, सर्विसेज क्या हैं, उसके ओनर्स कौन हैं, मिशन विजन वगैरह वगैरह सब चीज़ आपको पता होनी चाहिए। और जैसे ही वो पूछें आपसे, आप वो सारी की सारी चीज़ें उनके सामने बताइए। और अगर आप ऐसी कोई चीज़ बता पाते हैं जो वो लोग भी उम्मीद नहीं रखते आप जानते हैं, तो आपके चांस रिक्रूट होने के ज़्यादा बनते हैं।